good, guys? Digital Slang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking to TWS, the i520's, another super clone, another matte black super clone, the upgraded version of the i500's. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to talk to you guys about the giveaway we had, what happened, and what we're going to do about it moving forward. But TWS, the i520's, let's jump right into it. We will do all of the testing, check them out, see how they stack up to the other clones we've tested. Right away, the box. Pretty simple, no branding, all matte black. Picture of the BlackPods on the front. Speaking of BlackPods, I do have the BlackPods 3 coming in shortly, so we'll throw a review up on those once they arrive. But the i520's is what we're talking about today. We'll jump right into it. Let's just get into the box, check these guys out, see how they stack up to the other ones. Again, matte black. You know I'm digging the matte black color. I say it in every video. I love the look. Hoping one day Apple will give us the matte black AirPods. AirPods Plus will be out soon, and there are rumors there will be a black version, so hopefully that is true. However, the price tag on those things are going to be ridiculous. But inside the box, you're going to have your black lightning connector. You're also going to have your user's manual and your quality control sticker. Put them to the side. We don't need to see the black lightning connector. We'll check out the pods themselves. Again, matte black. We're going to run it through all of the testing. Check out the connection. Check out the sound. Now these should have about 4 hours of battery life, a little bit better battery life than most clones, which is a really good thing. They do have a little more weight to it, so you can tell there's a better battery right from the jump. On the back, you do have your button here. You got your hinge. On the front, like the AirPods 2, you have your LED light. If you open it up, your LED light comes on. These are a one-to-one. They do fit in the real AirPods case. These do support wireless charging, but we'll test all that out. So let's jump right into it. We'll connect them, go for that ease of use that we're looking for now. Disclaimer, I'm pretty sure the pop-up window isn't going to work because I did upgrade to the latest beta. I think it's 13.1.3, and I'm having pop-up issues with all of my AirPods and clones. So it's something with the software. They do connect still, but I do have to go into Bluetooth settings to connect them just like I would on an Android device. But I'm sure that will get worked out with the next software update. However, let's see if these are the same. If we hit connect, hold the back button, this should disappear. So I'm going to have to go into Bluetooth and connect them like I would any Android device. So if we hold down the button here, connect, now we're connected. So 23% on the battery. This is a real battery percentage on the case as well as the pods. That's a good thing. Let's check out the sound and then we'll get into all of the testing. So right away, just from touching it, the voice assistant popped up, so I already know that is going to work. And you know how we have to start. We have to start with a little music. We have to start with a little KRS-One. Sound quality is not bad. It's decent. It's a clone, you know, and we get what we pay for it. It's not as good as the real AirPods, and it's not as good as it's not as loud as the glossy black i500's, but if I compare it to the matte black i500's, it's pretty much the same thing. Not a lot of bass. The highs are there. Overall clarity is pretty good, but it's a clone. I paid 30 bucks for it. So because I paid 30 bucks for it, I'm okay with it. It's not bad. I can hear it. It's clear. I'm happy about that. I could listen to content. I could listen to music, and I would enjoy it. And remember, guys, we're buying clones. They're not going to blow our ears off, but we get what we pay for, and they're not bad. They're clear. The clarity is pretty good, so I'm digging that. Now, let's just jump right in. We're going to do all the testing, and we will start with the in-ear detection. We'll play some music. Take one out. Pauses. Plays. Left side. Pauses. And plays. Try one more time. Paused. So instant ear detection. In-ear detection works like it should. Works great. I have no complaints whatsoever. Now we will try the touch controls. We will try 2 taps right side and left side, then 3 taps Then we will try and get the voice assistant to come on, and then we'll try and disconnect them if we touch and hold. Let's jump right into it, play some music, and we'll do 2 taps right side. Pauses. Plays. Left side. Pauses. Plays. So in-ear detection works fantastic. Touch control so far, 2 taps works great. We'll try 3 taps. It should skip a track. Skip to the next song. Skip to the next song. Now we'll try 3 taps left side. Went back. Went back. Went back. So touch controls work really well. Now we will try and activate the voice assistant by playing some music, touching and holding. We'll try both sides and see if we can get Siri to come on. What do you look like, Siri? So voice assistant works if you touch and hold and let go once you hear the beep. It's about 2 seconds. Touch controls work really well. We're going to try and disconnect now. We'll play some music. Touch, hold, and don't let go. And they disconnect after about 5 seconds. Next test, we're going to jump right in and we will see if we can use 1 AirPod at a time. We'll play some music. I'll take one out. I'll throw it in the case and see if the other one still plays. Both playing. Open the case. Take it out. Now the music did shut off, but if I hit play, this one's playing still, so that's good. Now let's see if touch controls work while this is in my ear. I'll try 2 taps left side. Pauses. Plays. So you can use 1 pod at a time. So far these things are doing everything they say they can do, and at the $30 price point, it's a good deal. It's a good pickup. These clones, guys, are getting better and better. Eventually we will have an exact copy, quality wise, sound wise, as the real deal. Next test, we're going to check out the latency, see if there's a delay between the audio and video. We'll jump right into YouTube. So yes, once again, on the iPhone, using the YouTube app, for whatever reason, there is a slight bit of delay between the audio and video. For whatever reason, it happens on every pair of clones I try. Only on an Apple device. It does not happen on Android. Really? Perfect, I'm getting a call. We'll test out the call quality. Hello? I don't know what she's saying in the phone call, but she's clear. I can hear her. I don't know what she's talking about. Not even my language. I don't know what that was, but it was the perfect time to test out the call quality. Now, I did hear her very clear, so that is a good sign. But back to the test, we'll check more latency. Let's check out Netflix. Throw on a little bit of Black Panther. Great movie, by the way. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. No delay on Netflix. So for whatever reason, it is the YouTube app specifically on iOS on an Apple device. Now again, just like any other clone, you cannot go in and remap anything. Hopefully one day we'll get that as well. So all of the good things, let's go over them really quick. In-ear detection works really well. Touch controls work just like they should, really well. Sound quality is pretty good for a clone. It's decent, it does the job. For 30 bucks, I can't say that it's terrible. You have real percentages on your battery charge. Wireless charging does work. You can connect a real lightning connector to it. However, once again, guys, only use 5 watts. Anything more than 5 watts, you're going to destroy your clone. So be aware. Even though we're only spending 30 bucks, we don't want to kill them right away just by charging them. So 5 watts, don't use anything more than 5 watts to charge them. So last test, let's do the mic test, see how the call quality sounds. What's up, guys? The TWS, the i520's, the upgraded version of the i500. Let me know how this sounds, if they sound decent, and if you think they're any good. So that's about it, guys. I will leave the links below. Thanks for watching the video. So really quick, guys, the winner from the giveaway the other day, he did try and scam me. I actually sent the package to him, but I was able to get the post office to step in, grab the box, and ship it back to me. So once I get that back, the actual winner, Ricky Bush, the real Ricky Bush, he's generous enough. He wants to pick a winner, so he's going to give back to you guys as well. And he will announce that on his Instagram. I will drop his Instagram below. Once I get that package back, I will let everybody know that we can move forward with that once again. But again, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy your night. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Tons of videos in the works, guys. Peace.